Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening from whichever side of the world you are from. And I'm pretty sure you have clicked this video with the main purpose, judging by, of course, the video's title. You want to delete a system file that you do not have permission to. Usually, these system files are located in the system 32, and you don't usually have access to them. It's restricted through Windows. Let's say I'm gonna delete something from here. I have to go to my file, Windows System 32 drivers. Okay, I want to delete something from my drivers too, which is located in the file repository. It is all the way down here. It's an Arduino file. I want to perform a complete reset on my Arduino and perform a complete new install because it's once you download Arduino, it usually puts a few of its files in System 32 so that next time you download it again, it will get your previous information and previous codes from, and I do not want that. But when I delete it, you will see this. You require permission from system to make changes to this file. Try again, it won't work. Now, what you're gonna do is right click, go to properties, go to security, and down here click on advanced. Again, you will see the owner over here, which is system, and it won't allow you to change it or do any changes on it. You're going to have to change that. Once you reach this location, again click on advanced, and then you are going to have to click find now here to find the user or whoever you want to transfer the rights and permissions to make any whatsoever changes or even delete the file. Scroll down, find who you want to give it the permission to. Since I am the sole user of my laptop and I do not give it to anyone or have anything in connection, I am going to select uh, everyone. Click on OK. Once you see it over here, OK, and it should change. Your owner should change to everyone. Now it's not done. You still won't have the permissions. Here, click on apply. You will get this message. Click on OK. OK. And once you're here, will see you still do not, everyone still doesn't have full control over the file. So now you're going to click on edit, click on everyone, and here you can see the option to click allow full control. If this option was not available to you before, it's probably because you did not follow the previous steps. If you follow them all precisely, step to step, word to word, you should be able to see this option. Click apply. You're about to change the permissions to the folder, blah, blah, blah. Yes. Okay. And it's done. Now, if I want to delete this file, it's gone. As you can see, the Arduino file is gone. Nothing else is there. And that's it. That's how you can get the permissions to delete the files on this thing. And I suggest you be careful with what you decide to delete and double check it, because if you delete a file which is required by Windows to operate, there is no saving it and you might lose valuable information. So I do not hold any responsibility for any mistakes you make. Follow the steps, delete what you know can be deleted and is safe to delete, and you should be good. Thank you, everyone.